Alright, so let's talk about concatenating words. So you are given the string array. So you want to find out, return all of the concatenating words in the given list. So it has to be at least two words to concatenate. And let's look at this. So if you have the string like this, and if you want to split into half, you probably have to split to prefix and suffix, right? And in this case, if prefix and suffix is in the set, I mean you can find it, then the word you are traversing are counted as concatenated word, right? So basically you need to split at current index and then try to see are you able to find this, the prefix in the set, and also suffix in the set. If not, we need to traverse a suffix. So I'm gonna split half. So prefix, does my prefix in the set? No, right? So basically you don't need to traverse the suffix. So it has to be one of the condition has to be satisfied first before you go on the next one. So prefix has to be the condition goes first. So look at this. So cat basically is not the word in a set. So what is a set? Set is actually the word in this string array, right? And let's look at another one, the cat. So you do the same thing. So once you get here, your prefix works, right? So you traverse a suffix. So if you want to say does S, the letter S in the set? No. So the word for cat and cats represent what? Not a concatenated word, right? So let's look at this. So like I can tell like we need to start over here. Like I don't want to traverse again, but so the prefix is what? Cats, right? And then suffix those cats. I mean they're in a one word, right? So you are split and use another pen. So you split. So my prefix equal to D. And I'm gonna just write down, and this will be OG cat something, OG cats, right? So does my G is in the set, and then you will find out, oh no, right? So you need to change your suffix and prefix. So you will say, oh, all right here, do, and then G cats is in the set for the prefix, no, right? So you keep going, those and cats, all right. So these two are in the set, right? So those right here, cats right here. So once you find it, you want to store into the map to see, oh, this is the word. I mean, this is the word. Let concat concatable, something like this. I don't know, but you want to say, oh, this word is representing a word combining with two words in the string, right? So those cat, I will say equal to true, and then later on you want to find out cats. Those cats are also equal to true because they are all concatenated, right? So this will be the one word that is concatenated word, right? So doing the same logic, you will just follow the rest of the words. All right, let's just start coding. So list of string, that will be my return result, and my hash map, and key will be my string, and value will be my boolean, just say equal to true and false, and I have the hash set equal to string. This is represent like the words inside my map, so I'm just initialize it. So map equal to new hash map, and then set will be equal to new hash set, and I can just add the words, the string array into my set. So my set has contained multiple, all of the words in all of the string array words in the set. So now I just have to traverse. So string words, right? So I want to say if the DFS for the word is true, then I want to say restore.add the word, and basically that's pretty much the main function. So what is DFS? Sorry, boolean DFS string word. So again, you need to split to prefix and suffix, right? So prefix, suffix, something like this, and also your map is telling you like, does the current word is in the map or not. So you need to say if map that contains key, the word, if this is in a map, you want to return whatever you have. It could be false, but it could be true, right? So let's traverse the suffix and prefix. So just in case you want to start from 1, you don't start from 0. Like your prefix for 0 is empty. Like this is not allowed. So from 1 to the last index. So string prefix equal to word.substring from 0 to I, and your suffix equal to word.substring AI to the end, right? So one of the conditions is that it has to be the, so set that contains the prefix, it has to be in here, or it has to be in the, you know, the suffix in the set. This is n, sorry, this is n, and it's either you have suffix in the set, or you want to traverse DFS traverse a suffix, right? I made a typo right here, but it's okay. So you understand this, then you want to say, oh, everything, you know, all of the word can be, you know, concat, right? So you want to put the word. So word is the concatenated word between prefix and suffix. So you want to say words equal to true, and return right here, return true right here. So it will break out a for loop for you, right? And then if not, you want to just make sure the map has, you know, the word doesn't concat equal to the concatenated word, right? So this will be pretty much a solution. So let me run it. It's a little bit challenging for sure, but in the meanwhile, it's, you know, the critical thinking is required. So time and space, this is a space. I would say all of them, you know, save every single word into the result map and set. All right, time is a little bit tricky. I want to try it. So this is all of n representative of the words. Then you DFS, then you traverse every single chart in the word. So I would say this is all of n. Imagine this is all of n. This is all of w. All right, but your substring is also a, you know, a time complexity, and you have suffix and prefix. So in this case, you are traversing all of w just for these two. So I would say n and then nw square, if that is the case, and then also you have suffix to traverse. I mean, that would be a different scenario, but this might be like a case, like the minimum worst case for it. But if you have better answer, you can let me know. Just leave a comment. And yeah, so this question is really a challenge. So just think about this. If you have a for loop and you return, even though it is recursive calling, right? You don't come to this scenario. Like you were supposed to break out the entire function and return true right here. So I was struggling about like what happened. You know, in the beginning you concat the, you know, CAT for prefix and SDOG cast for the suffix. But I was thinking, okay, it already goes through here, and then I'm in the for loop. So in this case, that whatever it comes back, you are not able to reach this case. So you will just keep going, you know, for the rest of the code. So I was thinking that, but it's not true, right? You actually return true right here, recursively back to the top. So this will be the one of the primary concern for this question. If you have question, leave a comment, and I'll see you later. Bye.